Well, it's quite windy out today, but I decided to make a short video of two much needed improvements to my CID Xtreme mowing deck. This is a hydraulic deck, really a monstrous machine. I'm very happy with it, but upon getting it and using it, I found two things. One, you can see I have a rather large bobcat, should be able to handle this large deck. It is very heavy, 6-foot cutting width. I'll show you a problem I ran into, but first was a problem of the strips here in the mowing deck. That's so that you can see what you're cutting, and that's a good idea, but I found things flying through those holes quite often, rocks, sticks, whatever, and so I mounted a piece of Lexan over it so I can still see, but I don't get those hurling objects hitting me. The bigger problem that I ran into was the fact that the deck, even with the big glides that are on it, as I would mow, they would dig into the ground and eventually cause the machine to cut too close into the ground. It was taking too much power. When I would get to the end of a row and try to turn, I had to pick up the deck before I could turn because the runners were down in the ground too far. I tried running it, holding the deck off the ground a little bit, and the extreme weight of the deck was very hard on the hydraulics on my machine, and it was difficult to keep it slightly off the ground, and very hard on the hydraulics again. So this is what I came up with. I bought two bush hog type trailing wheels. I found these online brand new for $68 a piece. I did a little measuring and I went and bought some steel. I'll try to give you a close-up of what I did here. And for about $45 worth of steel, I welded these up. That's 1/2-inch thick steel. And I guess instead of welding it permanently, you could put a plate on the back there, and then you could bolt it on very easily and unbolt it. I can still just drop the wheels if I don't need them. But anyways, I put a set of these on, and so I have about $250. The shipping on those wheels was about $50 for the two wheels. They're very heavy. Anyways, I have some adjustment that I can raise and lower the deck. I've tried it out. They work great. They swivel when you turn or back up, and they keep the mower deck at a perfect height off the ground and really save on my hydraulics. Makes it very easy to turn. The skids aren't digging into the ground anymore. I think I can mow about 3 times faster now. I went out and did a little practice brush hogging. Worth every penny. I don't know if CID has some kind of attachment like this. I looked online, didn't see anything, but this took me about 3 hours to assemble, and which I didn't think was too bad. I think it's a worthwhile investment, and if you run into the same problem I did, it's something you might consider. Thanks for watching my video.